Stop asking people to subscribe and follow. I'm serious. Begging for subscribers is the fastest way to make people leave. When you say, please subscribe at the beginning of your video, what do you think happens? People don't know you yet. They don't care. You are asking for a commitment from a stranger who just met you 5 seconds ago. I need you to be honest with me. Have you ever begged for a subscriber? I have. Don't lie. You have too. I remember one time I commented on someone's video. They had 10,000 subscribers. I wrote, great video. Please subscribe to me too. But guess what happened? Nobody subscribed. One person replied, no, just no. That day I learned something important. Begging doesn't work. It makes you look desperate. And desperate is not a good look on anyone. So today I'm going to show you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers without begging, without crying, without commenting. Subscribe to me, please, on random videos. Let's go before I embarrass myself more. Here's the truth, and it's going to hurt a little. Nobody cares about your channel. I'm sorry, I don't make the rules. When you have 0 subscribers, you are a ghost. You are invisible. You could post a video of yourself dancing on a rocket ship to the moon, and maybe 3 people would watch it. Why does begging not work? Because begging says, give me something. But growing on YouTube is not about taking. It's about giving first. Think about it. Have you ever subscribed to someone because they said, please subscribe? No. You subscribe because they helped you. They made you laugh. They taught you something. So here's the deal. Stop begging. Start proving. Let me show you how. Rule number 1. Stop trying to make videos for everyone. Make videos for one person. Imagine this. You walk into a room with 1,000 people and you shout, hello everyone, please watch my video. What happens? Nothing. Nobody cares. You look crazy. But imagine you walk up to one person and you say, hey, I saw you struggling to edit videos on your phone. I made a video that shows you exactly how to do it in 5 minutes. That person will watch. That person will subscribe. That person will tell their friend. That is how it works. Speak to one, reach many. So here is your homework. Before you make your next video, ask yourself, what problem is one person in my audience having right now? Answer that question, not 10 questions, 1 question. Do that and I promise you will grow faster than begging ever could. Rule number 2, make videos that people are already searching for. Here is what most new creators do. They wake up and think, what do I want to talk about today? I want to talk about my breakfast. I want to talk about my cat. I want to talk about my feelings. Nobody is searching for your breakfast, but people are searching for how to edit videos on phone. They are searching for why my YouTube channel isn't growing. They are searching for best free editing app. They are searching for how to have views, how to have followers and subscribers, just like the way you click this video. So here's the trick. Go to YouTube right now. Type one word in the search bar. Just one word like how to or why does or best way. You can also search for viral topics on ChatGPT. YouTube and ChatGPT will tell you exactly what people are searching for. Those are your videos ideas for free. YouTube and ChatGPT are literally handing you the answers. Stop guessing, start searching. Be the answer to someone's question. That is how you could get subscribers without asking. Rule number 3, understand the maths. Because most people get this wrong. The average channel gets 1 or 2 subscribers for every 100 views. That means to get 1,000 subscribers, you need 50,000 to 100,000 views. What? I know that sounds scary, but don't close the video yet. Here's the good news. You don't need 100,000 views on one video. You need 500 views on 100 videos, or 1,000 views on 50 videos, or 5,000 views on 10 videos. So stop stressing about making single view. Focus on making videos that get 500 to 1,000 views consistently. Do that 20 to 50 times. You will hit 1,000 subscribers. Think of it like planting seeds. One seed might not grow, but 100 seeds, you get a garden. And please, for the love of everything, stop doing sub for sub. Those subscribers don't watch your videos. They don't comment. They don't care. YouTube sees that and thinks, this channel has fake subscribers. Let me not recommend them. And that is how your channel dies. Don't be fake. Be patient. It works. Before we finish, here is a list of things to never do again. ever. Number 1, stop saying please subscribe in the first 30 seconds of your video. Nobody knows you yet. You are asking a stranger to marry you on the first date. Number 2, stop sharing your videos in sub for sub groups, follow to follow groups. Those people are not your audience. They are desperate creators. That is not growth. That is in support groups. Those people will not watch your videos. Number 3, stop comparing yourself to a channel with millions of subscribers. They started with 0, just like you. The only difference is they didn't quit. Your only competition is yourself yesterday. Make one video better than your last one. That is it. That is the whole secret. Here's my challenge to you. Your next video, do not say please subscribe until the very end. I dare you. Spend the whole video giving value. Answer a question, solve a problem, make someone laugh, teach something useful. Then at the end, say this: if this video helped you, subscribe for more. That is not begging. That is earning, and people respect that. I'm Lona. I grew 200,000 followers on TikTok organically. So trust me when I say you don't need to beg. You just need to start. Start ugly. Start scared. Just start. Subscribe if you want to grow with me, or don't. But if you do, I will keep making videos that actually help. Now go make that video, and please stop begging. It's embarrassing for both of us.